single crochet front loop only. You're going to start with your slip knot and chain one chain per stitch, then add one for a turning chain. Then do a single crochet across. If you're not sure how to do this, I've inserted a chapter for our single crochet video. Once you're done, chain one and turn your work like a book. Then we're going to insert our hook into not both loops, but just the front loop. The next one front. So insert your hook into the front loop only and then continue doing a single crochet. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. Continue that across. So once I get across this, I'm going to show you what makes the front loop only cool compared to just the regular single crochet. So the red is regular single crochet and the orange is the front loop only. The front loop only has those cool lines on it. It makes like a really nice texture. It's a little bit looser than the regular single crochet, so it will work up a little bit bigger. And it looks like this. So you can see here I have 9 rows of this front loop only compared to 10 of the regular. So there you go. That's it. Stay tuned for the back loop only version, which is in the yellow. Don't forget to subscribe.